Hello folks, thought I'd just share one of my wintertime projects. Recently got this canoe for a Father's Day gift. Have a lot of work to do to it. Have a few little cracks in it that I got to repair. Other than that, it's in pretty good shape. Turn it over here. The seats gonna need some work to them. Kind of old. The canoe was sitting at a lake cabin for many years. The guy had it sitting out in front of his lake cabin. The wooden seats kind of need some repair on them. It's an old town canoe, I guess. Front seat here. I'm going to take it off and repair that one too. With some new seat covering and stuff. I think I'm going to have some kind of support in the middle going across. Pretty big canoe. I'd say it's over 12 foot long at least. Old town Northern Light canoe. Built in Maine, USA. Old town. Yeah, folks, I just thought I'd share one of my wintertime projects with you. I'm going to have to get busy on this. Maybe take it to the garage. We've been lucky enough to only have a little bit of snow so far. Yeah, I better get to work. Get this baby fixed up, and I'll be like Carolina Chris, cooking me some catfish in the canoe. Oh yeah. So if anybody has any ideas what I could do with these seats, repair them or replace them with something, or if I should just have one cross center beam or two or three, please let me know. The first canoe I ever owned. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Come next spring, hope to get this baby out in the river. Thanks.